Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your iPhone Face ID stopped working after updating iOS, don't worry, in this video I will guide you step by step on how to fix it easily. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check Face ID setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Make sure Face ID is turned on for iPhone Unlock, App Store and other features. Solution number 2. Update your iOS. Go to Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If a new update is available, tap Download and install. Sometimes Apple release fix in new updates. Solution number 3. Reset Face ID. Open the setting again. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Select Reset Face ID. Set up your Face ID again. This often solves recognition problems. Solution number 4. Make sure your Face ID is visible. Face ID won't work if your eyes, nose or mouth are covered. Remove sunglasses, masks and hats that might block your face. Also check in good lighting conditions. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.